How's it going? This is Ron from YotaConnectors.com. Today we're going to cover the difference between locking and non-locking connector housings and terminals. On the left, we have a set of non-locking connector housings. On the right, we have the locking type. Each locking type, you can see, has a protrusion of plastic from the center or one side. This is the actual lock that keeps the terminals in place once installed. If you notice, on the non-locking terminal, the back is smooth, and on the locking terminal, there are two tangs protruding. This is the main difference between the two terminals. They both share the same seals. A non-locking terminal cannot be used in a locking terminal housing properly, and vice versa. After installed the locking terminals, this locking plastic is simply depressed. Once that's pressed in, the terminals are locked. Each connector is different, but generally there are markings to tell you where to put a pry piece to lift the plastic to remove the terminals in case of maintenance or damage to wiring. On some connector housings, this plastic has to be completely removed from the housing to actually get to the tangs to remove the pins or terminals themselves. So now you know a little bit more about your harness and connectors. Out of this lot, we currently have in stock the coil connector and the CPS and or coil sub-harness connectors. Keep an eye out for new stock, as we're constantly looking for new suppliers and new additions to our ever-growing inventory. Thanks for watching.